Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. It's me Pramida with you from Level Kids IELTS Listening Warriors 3, and this is my first video of this level. I hope you all are doing great. Yeah, I'm also good. So as it is my first video of this level, I'm very excited. Our previous class was basically an introduction with IELTS listening. I mean that we have learned from this class some basic rules and facts. So in this video, I have actually explained you that what I have learned from my previous class in my own words. So no more wasting any more time, let's move to the main topic. At first, let's learn that what is actually IELTS listening task. IELTS listening is one of the 4 parts of IELTS exam. It checks how well a candidate can listen to spoken English and understand it in different situations. So in the IELTS listening test, you have to listen to some recorded audio that is spoken by native or non-native speakers. While you are listening, you have to face some questions what are based on what you have heard. So this test measures some of your abilities, which are firstly understanding the main ideas. This means that you have to understand the overall topic or the main point of what the speaker is saying. For example, that a speaker is talking about a problem in public transportation. You have to understand that the speaker is talking about transportation issues. Then you have to catch some specific information like names, date, number, address, like that. For example, the speaker told that the meeting will be held on Friday at 7 p.m. You have to catch the specific information like on which date the meeting will be held or when will the meeting be held, like that. The next point is understanding opinions or attitudes. Sometimes speakers don't give the direct information. They expresses their agreement, disagreement, disappointment, suggestion, advices, like that. You have to understand their feelings, not just their words. Afterward, you also have to understand the accent. Like you have to identify that in which accent the speaker is talking. In most of the case, the accent is probably British, American, Canadian, or New Zealand or Australian. But it also can be Russian or Italian accent, but rarely. So now we know that what is IELTS listening. So let's move to some rules of IELTS listening. Firstly, the duration of this IELTS listening test is 30 minutes. Totally, there will be 40 questions in this exam. And this test will be divided into 4 sections or parts. Every section has different situation and difficulty levels. You also have to follow some rules in write your answer. Like you have to write your answer in all capital letters, or you can follow another style of writing, which is you have to write the first letter of the word in capital letter and the other words will be in small letter. Afterward, when you start another word, you have to write the first letter in capital word and the other letter will be in small letter. I mostly prefer writing the whole things in capital letter. This is more safe and the most strict rule, which is you can get only one chance to listen to the recorded audio. You will not get any other chance to listen to it. I have already said that this test is divided into 4 sections. Some section is easy and some section is hard. So in section 1, you have to face conversation between two peoples about inquiry or booking. It's like a everyday situation, and it is the easiest part of this test. Then in section 2, you have to face monologues, and it's based on map 2 like that, and it's not very hard or not it's very easiest. It's normal. It's not very problematic. Then move forward section 3. In this section, you have to face conversation between 2 or 4 peoples. It will be based on academic talks, and it's a harder level. And lastly, the hardest level, which is section 4. It presents some monologues, and which is depends on academic talks, but it's very hard. So that is a brief summary about IELTS listening test. I have tried my best to explain it to you. I'm very excited to start this course. Anyway, that's all for today's video. See you again in my next video. Stay healthy and happy, and always keep your smile on your face. Bye bye.